Originally this morning we had planned for whale watching in Husavik. Kayla's cell phone starts ringing. She picks up the phone. Very sorry, boat motor's broken. It's not going to be fixed before the 10 a.m. tour. Find something else. While we're in the coffee shop, we look for a new place. I think we have a new tour booked, and it happens to be right across from the apartment that we're staying at. So it's a lot less driving. We're just gonna go back to the apartment and wait for an hour, park the car, walk right across the street, hopefully take a tour right out of Akureyri. I think I said that right. Probably not.
Overfish, and that caused the collapse of the herring stocks here. After this, the Icelandic government did enforce quotas to make sure that nothing like this would ever happen again, because of course it affected hugely the ecology of the fjord and of course the local economy, and it did cause a huge crash here. So these days this building serves as an art gallery and also a climbing gym, and next to it is also a diving center.
Fun? Good. So how was that?
It was really good.
What'd you like?
It was a really long boat ride out there. It was probably 45 minutes on the Zodiac
For
out
sure.
there. So it was all the way up at the top of the fjord, so it was pretty far from the city that we're in. The good thing about those little Zodiacs is that you can kind of just like zip right over to that, and like as soon as you see it, he just like floors it towards it so that we can get like a closer look.
Yeah, one of the things that the marine biologist that was on board told us was that they normally do like 5 to 6 surfacings right before they do like a long dive.
Keep bumping my coffee.
Yeah, they do 5 to 6 surfacings just before they do like one deep dive. Problem is, once they do a deep dive, like they can turn and come up just about anywhere. So like the bigger boats definitely had troubles like getting over to them. They kind of just like had to be in the center and then hope that they could like see both.
Yeah, so if you're good with like just seeing them from afar, or you have like a 600mm like zoom lens, then the big boats are probably fine. But if you have like an iPhone or like you just can't zoom that much, then the Zodiac is like a very good choice for getting up close to them. We got to see whales. We also got to see puffins, which is cool.
Yes.
I definitely wanted to see puffins. We didn't see a lot of them. We just saw like 3, but they were pretty close to the boat and they were kind of running across the water and stuff. So it was kind of cool.
Right.
We also saw some dolphins. What did she call them? I forget what kind of dolphin it was. Like
Whitefin?
white nose or
Whitefin?
something like that.
I think it was a whitefin dolphin.
It was a little cold towards the end because you had been out there for like 2.5 hours at that point. It was fun and yeah, so really glad we did it and it was worth the money. I mean, it's more of an expensive tourist attraction to do.
Absolutely.
But I mean, we don't really have to pay for many tourist attractions here, so I think it was worth it. So
Yeah, I think if you really want to see whales and puffins and you want like a more unique experience, definitely take a small boat.
Oh, we did get to see a geothermal waterfall, which was pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll throw that in there too.
Yeah, I don't know if I got some video of it kind of.
I did.
But yeah, so that was cool. And then we're just gonna go get some lunch and figure out what we're gonna do for the afternoon.
Alrighty.
Ready?
Alright, so we're headed to our, second nice dinner?
Yeah.
Of the trip. So I try to do like 1 to 2 nice dinners. So tonight we're gonna head out and do 1 nice dinner. Should be a pretty nice place. What do we call it?
I think I'm just saying Griffin because that's kind of how it's spelled, but I'm not quite sure how it's actually pronounced.
Right. So we're gonna head to dinner. We're just gonna walk. This is only about 8-minute walk away. So we're just gonna walk on over, have dinner, and then have a nice little walk on the way back. What are you getting? Alright, so we're walking back. That was our dinner. I didn't get much footage in there because it was pretty crowded. And I didn't feel like it was polite to film in public. So we're gonna head on back towards our place, but I think we're gonna try to get some ice cream that's just a little down past. So this one likes her desserts.
I like ice cream.
So we're gonna go and do it. How's your ice cream?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get?
It's actually mint chocolate, even though it's blue.
It's blue mint chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Oh, I can kind of smell it. Smells good. I ended up with the cookies. And it's not cookies and cream, it's just cookies. Alright, I think that's gonna be us for today. We just kind of came back from ice cream. I didn't get too much video because there was nobody in line, so it was pretty quick in and out. Grabbed our ice cream and walked back to the apartment. But I think that is it for us. I think we're gonna take a break. Tomorrow we got another long drive back to Reykjavik, so I'm not sure there's going to be much interesting tomorrow, but I think we'll vlog, even if it's just a short one, just to kind of have something to put up. But alrighty, I will see you in the next one.